Hello, Zeta here, and welcome back to the farm where it's replaced. So let's see. So in a way, we want to do kind of this, but for the other resource. So let's do this. So we don't need the max wood in here, and this should be depth. And instead of hay, this will be wood. Then we do this. Then I want the uh, max wood. We call this max again, because it will be completely separate from the other code. And we're gonna put different values through it. So in a way, it doesn't matter what you call this, as long as you make sure you call it correctly. So all of this entire code, we can just do this. Go to the side, and now it's kind of similar to this one. So now I can harvest, plant the bush, then move. So this code is all the same. So if we do this one, if num, I said num items, still would like that it completed this as well. This is items dot. This should be wood. Is lower or equal to x again. And then like this. And this can be shoved side by one. Then we go else. Not else if, just else. And we do a break. So it breaks out of the entire code line. That should work. Pretty sure. Missing a colon. Oh, okay. Now we do boot. And we feed through max. Boot into it. It is not breaking. It breaks and it still moves. So it is not breaking out of the code completely. How can I use this correctly? This program. Does it tell me? Oh, it might just be react. Is it reactivating it? No, it's not. It's not just not kicking it out. Uh, else if else. And I don't want to build it in here. Um, I think the wild true needs to be false then to do this. Or I call this in a different location. Because if this looks at Well, loop. Can I set this to a false? Or no, I need to break out of this in a way. Like completely break out of it. Or probably need to separate out. That's if item. Not so. Yeah, there we go. Now it completely broke out of it. So I kind of need to do the same on this side. We do if statement here. Make it so it actually fits. Else break. Else should be in the same line as this. Touch it wrong. So we'll just go through the same order. That's complete. Now we have carrots. So if number of items dot carrots. So now I remove the I. And this should be like this. Let's see if number of items is lower than that. Oh wait, I need a that's max carrots. Should make the function. Def carrots. Close it. So this needs two values. So it's the max. Then we do this. Then it's max underscore carrot with 2 bars. So this should allow me to get two, like double the information through. This will break it. But yeah, if we do a carrot, wants to read at least. Then we do max carrot, then max carrot seed. Oh, and it should be max seed, not max carrot. Move all of this by 1. And this has if max carrot that. Then we do on the same line else. Break. So we break out of it again. So if number of items is lower than max carrot seed, this will be seed in this. And it should run. There must be a column. Oh, I'm missing this. So this should run until it hits 100. Oh, I forgot to put the clear in. Put it in here. So we do it. And then we do a break. Oh wait, my valve through is the wrong spot. Or not? No, it's not. I'm an idiot. That valve through on that. Yeah, that's fine. Just needs to keep checking if it's correct before continuing. Oh, we're about to hit it. Doesn't take too long, and it shouldn't use too many of the other stuff. But yeah, it will clear and then break, and not the other way around. Otherwise, the clear doesn't function. The moment we hit 500, it clears, or at least 500 above, because it goes one above before it checks. But now it broke, so it says the file. This function is defined in has a syntax error. So it says this is not a valid. So this is probably the wrong spot. Yeah, it needs to go like this. Oh, and this has the same mistake I had before. And now it runs. And now it takes both of the informations. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get your seeds back if you don't erase it. Because it went back to the full amount. And this is apparently really effective. So that's debug. Which I don't think you need this. Probably lets you print. But I'm pretty sure you don't need it with how much this helps you figure stuff out. And then we still have the force clear. Now all of the commands are active on the. You look at this. Well, it's not true. It just goes from this, and it looks like we broke because hit max. Oh yeah, I know why. No, it should be. It's not a valid. No, it doesn't work. Let me check this. Oh wait, it needs to be on this line. Yeah, now it's completely offline, and it's searching for stuff it can harvest. But yeah, I did forget to put the clear command in. So why it should be in here. And if we, so even if we clear this, oh wait, why is it getting the... Oh, because it's not at 500. Yeah. And recycling through it again. and in the exact same order as before, so it should go through it until it hits all of the dead packs. And in a way I should just put a break command in. Or it just breaks by itself. Oh no, but it's because I was editing it. This do a break after this once it's done. Because we'll go this, break. Otherwise it will keep going through it. This is still not... Oh, that actually doesn't matter. But you just hit 500 and see what happens. And all the values that we can change are in here, so... Didn't need that value. Oh yeah, that keeps clearing. Put a break in. That completely stops. There we go. Let's speed. So what will I want to get? That requires pumpkin. This unlocks pumpkins. What are the plans to make them grow faster? Does that matter? See, do this. Debug. Sometimes your code just doesn't work and you need to find out why. There are a couple of tools that help you to do that. First is to execute the program step by step. You can go into step by step mode with the button next to the execute button and by setting a breakpoint. Oh wait, you can set breakpoints? That's neat. Breakpoints can be added by clicking on the breakpoint panel to the left of the code. When execution reaches the line where the breakpoint is, it will automatically switch to step-by-step mode. When you hover over a variable, its current value is displayed. The print function can also be very useful. It will print any value passed to it directly into the air. Examples prints this amount. Yeah, print this, so we print out the value that it's associated with. Print function prints the value directly into the air and to the output page. Yeah, so this is the basic logging. Can't get any of these. Get these or if these will be better. Give me pumpkins. Right. No, we need 500 wood. Give me trees then. These are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give 5 wood each, like bushes. They can be planted on grass or soil. These like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. Growing time is doubled for each tree that is on a tile directly to the north, east, west or south of it. If you plant trees on every tile, they will take 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 60 times longer to grow. So the way you need one space between them. But I'm guessing. So instead of giving what 2 wood, you get 5. So what I want to do is modify this so it does trees. And also make it so it skips 1. That means I'd probably need to rewrite the entire thing. There's still a neat wanted. So if we take this, so I need to get the get world size. I'm gonna make it skip in a way. That's the thing. Because I'm taking the number of range. I could just do take number of range and do a +1 on movement. No, that shouldn't work. That doesn't work. And the problem is I need to do it on this one and on the other one. Because I don't want it to be next to this, so it needs to do... Oh, this is doable. I just do another move north. Yeah, if we just do a double. And we do the same thing with this. It needs the same space. And we'll, instead of going to this one, it goes to this. Let me see it again. No, it's wrong. Oh, that's a pain. Yeah, it needs to be here, then needs to be there. So I want one east, and then yeah, I need to mess with numbers. I think I need to store the max size. Yeah, the movement I need to completely rewrite to do this. This will work. I could just skip it. Double change this to 3. But yeah, it needs to be offset. But this is insanely inefficient. Clear. Also, this doesn't require me to make seeds. That's similar to bushes. 7 seconds. Wanted to place. To do this way I wanted to. I could make it go sideways, but then it's gonna mess up at one point. So what I need to do is do the math that it does this, this. Then once it go to the next one, add 1 but subtract to this one. And the loop is gonna be messy then. I'm just doing north, north. And here it's east, and then it should be north. I don't know if this will work. Wait a minute. What happens if I do this? Like, that is running. Oh, this does work. Oh, that's a simplified version. other one will be making it so it reads it way better. Yeah, that works. Other one will be make it read all of both of these and do like an even uneven thing, so it just flips constantly. Problem if this is offset, then the checkerboard doesn't make sense. But yeah, we now have watering. So if you do watering, those plants grow faster when they are watered. Soil and turf have a water level ranging from 0 to 1. The function getWater returns the water level of the ground it is over. The growth speed of a plant growing on tilled soil grows linearly from 1 times speed at water level 0 to 5 times speed at water level 5. So it dries up over time. The water loss loses 1% of each current water every now and then. Keeping the water level high will consume much more water than keeping it low. You can use water tanks to water your plants. You can purchase empty water tanks with wood using trade. Empty items.empty tank. A tank can hold 0.25 water. Tanks fill up automatically. The fill rate is 0.5% of the number of empty tanks per second. So if you have 100 empty tanks, one of them will fill every 2 seconds. So use items.water tank over any ground, empty a tank and water the ground. Oh, this is gonna be awkward as hell to use. It also says only on tilt. And wait a minute, do I need to till? Trees are a bit slow. It can be planted on grass or soil. Yeah, need to check for water. I'm probably also gonna need to put it in carrots as well. So in a way, when I plant, let me do a get water. But it should be underneath it. So it returns the value. Now it should be if get underscore water equals to there should be a percentage, shouldn't it? Or it is lower than one. I don't know what it. Well, I should probably print, see if I can see. Give me just a random code. I don't care. Like this. Or not. Do I get water? about print? Oh wait, can I just print get water? Yeah, I can just skip this entire thing. 0. And do a... Oh, I should probably do this in a different line. Trade. Items. Dot. M. I can't spell. Empty score. Tank. That's why I didn't run. Gives me an empty tank. So let's just do this in no, not a while loop. What's the other one? For I in 100. Oh wait, it needs to be a range. So this needs to be okay. Range. And then put 100 in. That's how you do this. Yeah, forget that you need to use a range and not just an integer. Oh, we're out of food. We're now slowly filling up. So slowly converting an empty into a full. Now I hope that this returns an empty afterwards. Oh wait, did I do... No, this is not correct. This should be like this. So if water is lower than 1, and I'm guessing it's percentage, so this should be... no, let's actually do in this code the water. Let's get water trade, then it's use item. Use item. Items. Dot. Water tank. This should just run. Oh, 0.25. Oh, 1 is yeah, I get it. So this is a 0.5. So if I do... Oh, it already dissipates. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. Up. Let's set it so if it's lower than 0.5, then we do use item. Water tank. And that should go after planting. So we No, actually on the other one it doesn't matter, it's mostly on the boot supplies. And I don't need this. Let's just run this. Yeah, you can hear the water splashing. I'll probably do that for a few turns. This would make it way faster. Yeah, now I don't need the splashing anymore. So I should keep it at 50%. Let's actually do this again. I'll actually keep the water supplies up a bit more. Yeah, I think it does. It does return the empty tank, as it should. Oh, we're already out of time. But yeah, that's it for this episode. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.